Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use digital coupons on Kroger. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Kroger.com, and from here we're going to go ahead to the top of the page and we are going to sign in on the top right hand side. Now once you've signed in, you will see at the top of your page, you'll see shop weekly ad, and then you'll see digital coupons. So you're going to go ahead and click on digital coupons. Here you will see a bunch of digital coupons that you can redeem. So on the left hand side you will have your filters. You can filter coupons by different things. You can also sort your coupons by different things such as relevance or popular or even cost. If you click on the product, you can actually see the coupon details. Here you can see everything you need to know about that specific coupon. Now, if you click on clip, this is where you actually clip this coupon and add it to your account or to your profile. At the top of this page, you will see the all coupons and my coupons. Once you go into my coupons, you will see all of the coupons that are within your account or your profile. And from here, you can go to the right hand side, you can print your coupons, or you can make purchases right here for the products and have it delivered, or you can pick it up and you can use these coupons and they'll apply at your checkout. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.